In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the ISODD function in Google Sheets. So this is going to be a pretty short video. This is a easy function to use. It only has one argument, which is the value that you want to evaluate. So what this function does is it is going to evaluate a number, and if it's odd, it's going to return true. If it's even, it's going to return false. So to use this function, equals ISODD, and then I'm going to put in my cell reference here. You can see that is an even number, so it returns false. Odd numbers return true. So there's only the one argument in this function. You can also put numbers in the function instead of cell references if you want. By itself, this function isn't often used. It's usually used in combination with other functions like if statements. So just take the time to try this out. It's pretty simple. It shouldn't take you very long. But that is it for the video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or content suggestions, just let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to answer everyone.